So going to Joseph Duclos today. Really late, so I'm just gonna hop out. See you later. We're just looking at the exclusive show that they have. It's a private show. Just about to enter the VIP room where actually Brigitte Macron was actually here and purchased one of the long clutch bags. Follow me. As you can see, it's pretty just very pretty. You can obviously see yourself if you were to hold a bag. I don't have one. I can carry that one, I guess. So just imagine you're here carrying your bag. Oh, Macron. Merci beaucoup. And then you make your purchase and then you go. I really think this is beautiful. You feel like what you're buying. You know, it's a luxury bag, so you have a luxury room to go with it. And it makes sense. See you on the other side.
I'm Leah. I'm a leather maker, leather craftsman. So here I have a linen thread. So you have 3 or 4.
Yeah.
So it makes this thread really strong.
Yeah.
We put wax. Wax is really important. This tool, I make the marks. Put the slides together, and after, the step after is doing the stewing. It's really not industrial. It's only about handmade. You can try if you want. Oh yeah. And I do like this. You take this one, the other one. Okay, perfect. You take it off.
Bit of a wiggle there.
Yeah, don't be shy. And on the other side, you do the same.
Okay.
Look for.
Oh, this is a little bit harder than I thought.
Yeah, it's easier on the side.
I actually used to hand sew, but leather is quite different. There we go.
Okay, so you take the two and you.
And I put them together.
Yeah. You pull together.
Great.
You did one.
One.
It's about 15 hours. I mean,
That's very long.
yeah, 15 hours to do all the bag. You can see that why it took such a long time and why is it so suspicious.
Exactly. Thank you for watching our workshop.
I learned the process of a luxurious bag, like handmade bag, in Hermes.
Oh, nice.
I worked with them for 8 years. Hermes and Joseph Duclos are exactly the same processes of making bags. It's just an old way to do
the manufacturing.
Yeah, the manufacturing. Before it was for saddlery for horses, and so we did just the traditional way to do bags.
Well, that was us at Joseph Duclos, featuring Jenny's husband, who we dragged along.
Here, if you want, it's like sunglasses that you can attach to your phone, and you have to scan a QR code, and you can visit our shop.
Okay.
It's kind of a little metaverse.
Ah, nice. I want to try out the glasses that he mentioned for our gift. How do you wear this? Let's see. Ah, okay. So this is what it looks like now. I can't see. This is nice. So we're in the store in the VR. Ooh, that color's nice.
And then you can go back.
So it's pretty cool. Thank you, Joseph Duclos. On to the next show.
But it's not a thing not to kill snakes anymore. Yeah, I guess it's okay.
Apparemment, it's like the size of my hand.
When you go to an event, and you walk a lot.
Why do people like sparkling?
Yeah,
Girl, you're from
makes no
UK.
sense
I know that, but it's like, it's just...
What's wrong with you?
Sparkling for me feels like you need to have flavor with it. So when I taste it, it's sparkling and no flavor comes afterwards. It's like...
So it's just a stereotype.
my tongue is just waiting. Yeah,
it's just a stereotype that British only drinks sparkling water.
Oh, that's definitely
No, wait, sorry. It's
Oh.
sparkling water.
Oh my gosh.
No, it's not like that. It's a sparkling wow.
Wow. And just sell all your watches. Then we will have more money, okay? Nope.
No money.
Monsieur, c'est quoi le nom de robe?
Il y a pas de nom.
Oh, pardon.
Yes, vermillon.
and our friend is trying inside. Hey Vaughn.
That's the dress. Kind of have to hold the back because it's a little bit big.
It's too big for you?
It's too big.
Bragging much?
No, it's actually weird though, right? Because models are usually slimmer than me, so it's actually kind of strange.
It looks good.
It looks good.
So this is the Givenchy red dress with a little peaky peak. Kind of like it. What do you guys think?
Zoom.
When the husband is getting annoyed. Husbands always are tired when we shop.
Yeah.
You guys need to get with the program. Merci beaucoup.